Hey friends, this is Miss Dapp with another tutorial over your Summative web page. And what I'm looking at right now is the existing product analysis. What I've asked you to do for your web page in particular is to show images. We know that people want to see a picture paints 1,000 words. So get those images up here. You are going to be doing something a little different than you would if you really launched this web page to the public. And you are going to cite by just putting the URL below. Okay. So again, I have my images, existing product analysis and manufacturers is my caption, and then I've named the house. So here's the house here. I've told you where that image is in relation. It's the left image, and I've asked you to give me three key pieces of information. These are your details about the environmental impact of your house and how it is sustainable. So you know we don't want to give 25 details here on the website because, where that's kind of an overload for a web page. So I would pick the three most important things that are going to be really exciting for your potential house owner and your client. So I would put those down. As you can see, mine is not the perfect example. I was talking about function here, a vacation home, but you're going to pick those three important environmental impact details. You're going to put them there. And then below that, you're going to mention the name of the manufacturer of this house. So write the name and then the URL. And that's how we're going to cite for this. You don't need to do more than that. I don't want you to spend a lot of time on it. Next, we have house number two. I tell you the location of that image. It's the upper right image. You don't have to use this grid like I did. You can maybe do that glide show or play with another way to display this, but I like what I've done and it didn't take me a whole lot of time. And maybe if that's important to you, you might choose this grid as well. Okay. To save time, I haven't given you a perfect exemplar of what these are going to look like, but for each house, you want to kind of compare and contrast right here for your viewer what these environmental impacts pieces are going to be. So maybe the details are related to each other for each one so that they can see the difference here. Okay, that is all for this piece from your tables of A3. I hope this helps you understand what I'm looking for and feel free to let me know if you have any questions. Good luck on the summative.